Hello, my name is Nisa Leilani Martinez. I go by Leilani, that's what everyone calls me, it's my middle name. I am 22 years old from Little Rock, Arkansas. I just graduated from the University of Arkansas in Fayetteville with a Bachelor's of Science degree in biology. I am taking this course because it is a prerequisite for PA school. I did not take this course in college because it was not required. Everyone that took it, all my biology friends or just science majors, said that it ruined their GPA. The professor wasn't he wasn't very fair, and so the class was very difficult, and I wasn't going to risk it if I didn't need it for med school, but I changed my mind along the way, and I decided that PA school was best for me. So I do need it, which is why I'm taking it. I plan on applying to PA school this summer. I know that UAMS is my first option just because it is in Little Rock. That's where I'm from. It's close to home. And I wouldn't have to move somewhere completely different where I'm not familiar to, which I'm not opposed of because I am young and I would like to live somewhere else besides Arkansas. So I do plan on applying to some out-of-state schools as well. I know that I was thinking about Texas and Colorado, possibly Illinois, Chicago, but I think once I apply and I see the outcome of the schools and their decisions, that'll help me make my decision. Like I said, this is a prerequisite for PA school. So I do think that this class will help me in the future. Sorry, I kicked my desk. I believe that I need to understand the various parts of the body. It'll help my understanding. I will definitely use it in PA school, knowing where parts are found and what they do, how they work, how the body functions. If I don't have that understanding, I won't be able to do PA school. I won't be able to work in medicine because I need to know where the problem is coming from in order to help the person. I also believe that this course will help me because it is self-paced. So not only will it help me in my understanding of anatomy, but it'll help me in school. I'm basically designing my own experience of learning right now because it is self-paced. There aren't any due dates. I just know that it's all due by the end of May. So it will help my organization skills and my time management. And I think this course will be very helpful in the future. I can't wait.